Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can notify your customers when your product is back in stock. So I'm going to take this product which is currently out of stock, and it's already showing that it's out of stock, but there is no option. But how can the customer know that the product is back in stock, or how they can buy when the product is in stock? For that, you must have seen some e-commerce website or apps that will show you that this product is out of stock, and you can be notified when the product is back in stock. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a notify me button over here, so as to notify that customer to come back and buy the product now as the product is back in stock. So you can email them or contact them through a contact number or anything, and tell them that the product is back. And so then you can increase the customership, and also they get what they want. So we'll show you how you can do that, and before that, don't forget to subscribe, as we come up with videos every now and then on WooCommerce and WordPress to get your website performance up and top. So what we're going to do is we're going to dashboard and install a plugin for this. I'm going to install a new plugin, and this is called InStock Notifier. Alright, here we have it. So InStock Notifier is a custom plugin. So here it has already 10,000 plus active installation and good number of ratings. I'm going to install this, and after installing and activating it, we are going to do some settings, and let's see how the thing is done. Alright, the product is installed and we have just activated the plugin. So you can see that there are basically settings, add-on, custom developments, and support option. So it also comes with an add-on option, which you have to pay a little bit amount for getting some extra features. Other than that, it's completely free plugin. So I'm just not going to change anything or do anything. I'm just going to save the change and see how it is visible on the website. All right, right now we can see, you can see that there's an email when stock option is there, and there is a mail option and a subscribe now button. We're going to do this a little bit somewhere else. If you have another theme, if you have another theme, the box will be customized according to the theme. So you don't have to worry about this big box and all. You can customize it according to your wish using Elementor or anything. Alright, we're going to go back and customize these options a little more. So it's here, it's email when stock available. So I'm going to rewrite this as notify when it's back in stock. Okay, and it's given as subscribe now. I'm going to change this as notify me. All right, so that's done, and there's also a subscription form for guests. Like if they have not installed, you can also use that. Like it should not be like some people must don't have an account in your website, so for them it will be good if they have it. And also hide the subscribe form for the members. If you can do that. I don't recommend doing that. Also there are some other options for the subscribers and all those things, and you don't have to do anything unless you want it. These are some things, like basic things. Also here there is message settings. So when you given your email ID and all, you will be getting this message: you have successfully subscribed. We will inform you when this product is back in stock. Then these are, you can customize it however you want. And here the mail settings. So this will be the mail that you have like subscribed to this product. We'll let you know once the product is back in stock. I don't think this is necessary, so I'm going to disable that option. And so when a subscriber gets a mail, like a subscriber is subscribed to your channel, you can also enable this option so as to get that in-stock mail into your email address. So you can do this. It's not necessary, and you can do this, and you have to type those email IDs right over here. And then there's an email in stock mail. So when the product is back in stock, you can say this is the message that is going to be sent to the person. So that will be sent from your website only. So you can add this. You can customize it however you want. And if you have a reCAPTCHA options, you can add that one as well. So if you have a subscription form, so that's completely feasible from here. And also there is a checkbox PR and also troubleshooting settings. So that's very unchoosable, so you can do this or not, but this is just enough. So I'm going to save the changes. I have just saved the changes, and we are going to refresh this. All right, so that's how we have done this. So when I click on to the notify, you can see that you have successfully subscribed, and we will inform you when this product is back in stock. And that's how you can add a notify me button. So if this is not attractive enough for your website, you can also always customize it using the block editors or anything. And also it will be according to your theme. For this theme, this is the option. So it's for another theme, it will be a different one. So you can always edit that. And that's it. That's all about today's video. We'll see you in another video. Bye.